In this video, we are going to tell you how to transfer funds from Binance to Trust Wallet. So stay connected with us. First of all, click on Trust Wallet app. Now click on Receive. Select a coin which you want to withdraw from Binance. I am selecting Tron TRX. Copy the address. Now go to Binance. Reload the page. Click on Wallet. Check where your funds are. My tokens are in Spot Wallet. So click on Spot and then click on Withdraw. Now I have to select a token. As I already copied Tron address, so I want to withdraw Tron. Click on TRX. Paste address. Network Tron TRC20. Amount 2 Tron. Now click on Withdraw. For verification purpose, you need to add verification codes, phone verification and email verification. Wait for verification codes. Copy the 6-digit code and paste in Binance. If you are getting code from email, put it in email section, and getting code from phone, put it in phone section. Process completed. Now go to Trust Wallet. Reload the page. Here we received Trons. So that was the process. If you liked it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.